We developed the Boppy Uplift nursing pillow to help parents hold their babies at an ideal angle for feeding, which can reduce spit up and aid in digestion. The pillow has a soft, removable, and adjustable belt so you can keep your hands free. It has a wide, contoured shape that helps fit parents of all sizes. The covers are not only pretty, but completely removable and machine washable as well. To use the Uplift nursing pillow, you can pick it up by its convenient handle and get it positioned where you need on your waist. Then use the amazing belt to help it stay in place and keep your hands free. When placing baby on the pillow, make sure the taller end is where baby's head is to help hold them at that great angle. And when you're ready to switch sides, you would simply undo the buckle and flip the pillow over, giving that same angle on your other side. If you prefer not to use the belt, the good thing is it's completely removable. You can undo both buckles and simply tuck the ends away like they were never there at all.